So this is right lung. This is costal surface, and this is medial surface, and this is inferior surface. This inferior surface is the base of lung, and this is apex. Apex is upward and base is downward. To show the side, you have to hold inferior or diaphragmatic surface on the. If this is right lung, you have to hold it on a right palm. Now the side determining criteria is anterior border. Side determining criteria is anterior border, which is very sharp. So this sharp border determines the side. This is the anterior border of right lung, and inferior border is also sharp. Posterior border is blunt. This is costal surface. Medial surface is divided into vertebral surface and mediastinal surface. So this is mediastinal and this is vertebral surface. Now we will another thing is it's having two fissures. This is oblique fissure and one horizontal fissure, though it is not present here. There are three lobes in right lung. Never determine the side using fissure criteria. Always determine side using this sharp anterior border. Now relations of mediastinal surface. Right side, most of the structure are venous structures in relation with mediastinal surface of lung. This depression is because of right atrium. This is marking of superior vena cava, which is formed by these two brachiocephalic vein, that is right and left brachiocephalic vein will join to form superior vena cava. And this is hilum. Mediastinal pleura reflects on hilum and lower down extension of it forms pulmonary ligament. This is opening of azygos or the arch of azygos. Above the hilum we are having this arch like opening of azygos vein which opens into superior vena cava. So this arch is of azygos vein. Then this portion lower down is related to esophagus. This portion is related to trachea. Structures above downward in the hilum we are having eparterial bronchus, then pulmonary artery, hyparterial bronchus and pulmonary vein. So anterior most and inferior most structure is pulmonary vein. Before backward structures are vein, artery and bronchus.